Hello everyone, this is Mirama Azhar, your IELTS and PT expert. But today I'm here for something different. I'm going to tell you about some of the important interview tips that you can follow to get your interview clear, okay? But before, watching this video, you have to subscribe our channel House of English. So whenever you are applying for some company or for or some university, you have to research the company, because when you are appearing in the interview, okay, the interviewer is going to ask you about their company, that what actually do you know about their company, or do you know about their university. So it's actually very much clear that you have to know, you have to be aware about the company. So research the company before going or appearing in the interview. Number two is that you have to arrive on time. Okay, you have to be punctual. Okay, if you are not punctual, then obviously it will be a bad impression. Number three is dress professionally, neatly. It's not like you have to wear very expensive clothes or very luxury clothes. Okay, no, you should wear simple clothes. Okay, it should be neat, tidy, according to the place, according to the interview. Okay, so it will help you to boost your confidence and you will feel better and comfortable. Then the next thing is that you have to prepare your short introduction, just like 1 minute introduction. Don't try to give a lot of details, because they have your resume, they have your CV, they will see the details, and you can even tell them that you can just go through our CV. Okay, and try to prepare for some questions, that if you are going for an interview, then obviously you have to see that what kind of questions you can ask at the end. Okay, so if you're going to ask them some good questions, okay, then obviously it will help you to know the criteria of the company or criteria of the interview, that what actually they are asking from you. And the next thing is that your confidence, your eye contact. Okay, like if you are communicating in a well manner, most of the people, they have lots of knowledge, lots of they have closure, but they don't know that how to have a good eye contact. Okay, so they can't communicate well with their interviewer. This is what the important thing is. And the most important thing is that in which language you have to communicate. So if you are like applying for an international company or any international university, obviously you should know English. You should know how to communicate in English. This is very important. If you don't know, obviously you will be, you know, you will suffer in the end. So my recommendation is that you should at least know how to speak basic English. This is what this all interview should be based on. Sometimes we have like less knowledge, but we can communicate well in English, we can speak this language, we can conquer the interview. Okay, I've seen many people, they are doing or they are on the best position just because of their communication skills, their language skills. Okay, so please try to remember that language skills are most important. And when the interview is getting end, you should know what questions you can ask. Okay, even they will ask you about that, what is your expected salary. Okay, like what do you expect the salary should be. So you cannot say that I'm actually expecting like a 1 lakh, or or 2 lakhs, or 50,000. No, you can say that it should be like according to the market rate. Okay, not less than that, not more than that. Okay, so whatever your salary is, you should let me know, so I'll see that whether it should fit to my expectations or not. So don't try to give a direct answer. Okay, you have to have a skill to answer in a different way and in a unique way. Okay, so this is how all it goes. And best of luck for those who are appearing in the interview. For more English content, for more English updates, you can subscribe to our channel. So what are you waiting? Till then, you can just wait for my next video. I'll be giving more important tips. Thank you.